Good morning on YouTube. And good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, X, whatever they call themselves. All right, almost there. As always, thankful to God for another day above ground. Please let everybody y'all know be healthy and happy. All right. I think we're live on TikTok. Morning, Fletch. Good morning, Orlando Walters. Blessed morning to you. Good morning, Builder Las Vegas and Larry Cooper. Morning, Larry. Morning, Builder Vladis. Good morning, user 9086. Good morning. Oh, Amy Lou. What's up, Amy Lou? Good morning, Amy Lou. Good to see you this morning. Good morning, John Meneke. Good morning, Aussie Trader from San Diego. Now, trust me, I'll never remember that.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Ricochet sell US 30 to the 30-second blue line. Take profit 1. Take profit 2, 38,579. And I remembered to free up my time. Yeah, that's us. Okay. I have a feeling we'll be hearing some money change sounds soon. Morning, Larry. Morning, Guy Burger. Morning, Z81, ZB1. All right. I just woke up a few minutes ago. Thank God I actually got some sleep. And then, yeah. Let's see. Sell stop to the 1 minute blue line, NAS. At least towards it. Now let me see. I don't even know if we flipped over the overnight reversal. Oh, look, my charts are actually working this morning. TradingView is so weird. They make so much money and provide the service they provide. Whatever. SPX. Sell stop towards the 1 minute blue line. I don't know if these are going to the sell blue lines on these ones. I would never take these trades in a million years. But let me just keep looking here for you guys. And I guess I'm no longer time delayed. Shitty ass thing about TradingView again. 30-second sell stop towards the 1 minute blue line on ES1, the E minis. All right. At least we got some of those set up. Let me see gold real quick. Looks like the 1 minute. Let me see the 30-second buy. Gold buy stop. Yeah. Take profit 1, 3,010. 3 minute towards the 3 minute blue line on gold. 3017 is this next take profit on a 3 minute buy towards the blue line. I actually think it's going to go touch this one. Doesn't matter as long as it's close enough. 3023 and then 3027.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Let's go on down here. Yeah, we'll go right here. You'll be hearing some gold bells going off here shortly. Excellent. $3,007.69 is a perfect take profit for gold. It's a 15-second buy. Get futures on. Did that. Aha. NAS 100, US 30 100. Let's see what's going on, peeps. Listen, listen, listen. We have our first sells. Yep, there you go. There you go. Excellent job. We have US 30. We have NAS. Let's see if we have NAS. Yep, there's NAS. Told you little sell stops are all in the money. We have gold. Let's see the gold one. I knew the gold would be popping soon. And there's your gold in the money on a buy. And sell on US 30 NAS. I didn't hear SPX. Hold on. Yeah, SPX also in the money. There you go. So all three five. Okay. US 30 NAS, NQ1, SPX, ES1, and gold all made money. 6 symbols all made money. You're welcome. What a way to start off the morning. I'm not even awake yet. I don't even know where the fuck I'm at. But there you go. What's up, Sog? What's up, sports fanatics? There is no thinking. I can guarantee you what's going to happen to any symbol. Well, fuck guarantees. I'm going to tell you exactly what's going to happen for any symbol. What's up, Dave 459? What's up, dude? I hope you all caught a little of that action. It's going to continue to do exactly like I said. Let's look at Bitcoin next. That's funny. Couldn't even get through fucking 2 minutes of the show and we're already making money. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. All right. Hold on a second. We got a little issue going on around here. Well, issue. All right, now let's go over to Bitcoin. Red, red, red. Okay, now let's go over here. Bitcoin hit the 7-hour blue line that I called yesterday. Hey, let's make sure that was written down. We have Kim, the candle envy lady, who does all my calls. This is my warning back November of last year about NAS, SPX, and US 30 all being overpriced. Of course, obviously, that turned out to be a stellar, legendary call out yet again by me, just so we're clear. Now, let's see. Are we on the Kev's daily callouts? Let's see. Really? Oh shit, where are my glasses at anyway? I don't wear glasses, I mean my blue blockers. Bitcoin. Son of a bitch. Here we go. 9 hour sell stop. So 9 hour sell stop. Let's see if that came true, which we already know it did. And we're on 7 hour. Oh, not yet. It's going to. 7 hour blue line hit on the sell for Bitcoin. It's going to arch up a little bit, come back down. Sell stop 7 hour to the blue line, $75,303 to be exact. Then Bitcoin will go down to $71,390 on a 9 hour sell stop. $70,870 on a 10 hour sell stop. $62,200 on a 12 hour sell stop. Now, I'm not saying it's going to go here, but $48,000. $48,000. If that goes there, yeah, I'll be jumping in with 10 feet into Bitcoin. Now, I can only say this strong enough. Bitcoin is a long-term buy, specifically a daily, weekly buy stop for Bitcoin. Bitcoin will go up. Just follow it down as it goes down. We'll see. So anyway, take profit one. Buy stop weekly Bitcoin 83,000. Buy stop Bitcoin 85,000, 89,000. I love the $95,000 Bitcoin. It will absolutely blow past that and go there. It'll go to 100, 105, 110, 150, and 120. So as this thing's falling down to the 70s and 60s, you're getting another opportunity to get into Bitcoin. I think it's a shit coin. I think it's worthless, but it doesn't matter. The charts don't lie. It is what it is. That's my call on Bitcoin.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Barry. Good morning, Amlikar. I am doing very good this morning. A little tired, but good. I hope you're doing good too, Amlikar. What's up, Alex, and not Axel? Good morning, Super Z. Thank God for the system is right, Larry. Yes, sports fanatics. If you want to learn about actually how to trade and not just make stupid blind statements like you did about more reds coming, I think stick around in my system. Watch the show. Go back on my YouTube channel and watch some training videos. I think you'll be shocked. What's up, Right W? Verve? Okay, sure. I have no idea what a Verve is. Verve Therapeutics, evidently. All right. Let's see what we shall see. Has my system called out Verve? No, it has not. I don't like that at all. 1 second, 5 seconds, 30 seconds. Let's see what's going on here. Verb is a 30-second, 1 minute buy stop. Take profit one, $3.46, $3.56, and $3.65. I think this is a shitty whatever symbol this is. I think it's a pile of crap. I wouldn't touch it with a 1,000,000-foot pole. It's shitty, shittier, shittiest. There's way better. I would look into getting Johnson & Johnson, for instance. Verb is crap. It's actually a long-term sell. Yeah, there's nothing I can talk about. Verve, VERV sucks. I wouldn't touch it. Stay away. Hope that helped you, right, W. Good morning, old school Mick. It is a glorious morning. Thank God for it. You're welcome, right, W. If you have anything else, please ask. Yeah, but my system isn't trading a symbol. Throw that symbol in the trash can. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. Guyberger, Tesla. Sure. Tesla, Tesla, Tesla. I could already tell you it's a long-term buy without even looking at it. I love it. Why don't I have my short list though? Huh. Oh, whatever. Tesla. All right. Has my system called out Tesla correctly? Yeah. No misses on the demo closed trades. No misses on the demo open trades. Now, what's it currently doing? You can clearly see a little flip, 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 flip. I'm going to go over here between the red and green arrows because there's something there that's different. We are looking at a to the 1 minute. Interesting. Okay. Sell stop. Gold, gold. Do you hear that? Listen, peeps. Do you hear it? Gold. I'll come right back to Tesla. Gold, 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 gold. Yep, told you. Gold take profit 2, I believe this is hit. Gold take profit 2 is hit. I hope you guys hear the cha-chings. Woo. Yay, cha-chings. There you go. So gold is already kicking ass. Just stick around. Yes, I'm trading 5-second, 1-second charts. Yes, I'm trading 3-minute charts. Yes, I'm trading monthly and 6-month and 3-month charts. It works on all time frames. System is absolutely stunningly incredible. Look at Keith throwing up the money signs. 30-second sell on Tesla. Yeah, that's correct. Sell to the blue line on Tesla. Take profit 1. I would never do a sell on Tesla, but if those of you out there that want it, $234.86. The 30-second sell stop on Tesla. I would be looking much more hard at the 3-minute buy. Take profit 1 Tesla, $239.70. Matter of fact, we'll throw that one on there so later today you'll hear that cha-ching. $242.78. And how you find your take profits with my system is you go right off the yellow and then the orange. It always goes back up to this orange when it's going to the blue line. Then you split the difference about halfway up to the blue line, and then you call it to the blue line. My system is the only system in the world that gives you a bullseye. This is exactly where it's headed. Exactly. And this is Tesla we're talking about. Now let's go on up here a little bit higher. 4 hour, 5 hour, 9 hour, 10 hour, 12 hour, and a daily. Sell Tesla to the daily blue line. It's going to come, it already ricocheted and came back and did it once. It's going to come back down to $220.76. But make no mistake about it. This is a weekly, 3 weekly buy stop. Awesome opportunity for you to dollar cost average into Tesla. Look at the standard. It's just always the same. Look, price came down, came up, formed its M in the middle. This is actually your safety trade right there. There it is. Boom. See how it looks? Red equals down, green equals up, red equals down, green equals up. I was just teaching you guys this yesterday, actually. Always breaks through the center here for zero take profit. Always, always goes up past the orange, which is right there. So that's what Tesla did do. What Tesla's about to do is this right here. You're going to see Tesla, this little line is going to come down further. Then it's going to hook and come back up. You're going to see this space. These are all 3-week candles like this come like that. Then you're going to see the space over here like this. And then you're going to see it hook back up. I'm telling you what's happening over the next several months on Tesla. This will do exactly like I told you it will do. Price action is going to come also down a little further like this. And it's going to hook and come back up like this. Tesla will cross this line right here again. And just so you all know what that is, take profit, probably, let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, somewhere around take profit 3 or 4. Tesla will be at $318 again. I don't give a fuck what any of you say. That's where it's going. Then it will go over $400. Then it will go over $450. And then Tesla will go over $500. Yeah, I know it's going down. Yes, it's going down to maybe 200. I get that. Doesn't stop every one of my calls from being accurate, because it will be, and that is Tesla.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Love the early starts live, Kev, for us here in Australia. Nice, Zog. Glad I can help you. What's up, Johan Soez? Good morning, Johan. Good morning, Huare. Good morning, Raider Trader. Where does the E mean on the chart? What does the E mean on the chart? E. E. I don't know what you mean. The E mean on the chart. I don't see a letter E. Sorry, can't help you. You're welcome, Guy Berger. All right, let's go back. We're already making money. Let's triple check what we have going on around here. Let's see. Maybe we'll go down to the 10 seconds. See. Buy stop. US 30 to the 10-second blue line. I love this trade. Take profit 1. 38,661. Take profit 2. 38,667. Let me see here. 5 seconds. 5-second buy stop to the blue line, US 30. Yes, I'm calling out 5-second trades. It will happen. It works perfectly every time. This is awesome. It's happening right before your eyes. There it is. It just went up. Touchdown, US 30. From my mouth to God ears to your wallet. Just called that trade out. It went to the 5-second blue line. You will now see this change over here to 5-second will change to green. It's going to ricochet now. That pink line's going to come down. The purple line's going to come down. Then you'll see it hook and come back up. Cross. See it? There it goes. There it goes. See it change on the 5-second. Told you we're playing 5-second US 30s. You see it just do exactly like I told. There it is, crossing the 10-second. Watch the 10-second switch right here. Watch it go to green right there. Listen to it go. Listen to the money you're making. Look at it. Told you it was going to do before it did it, and then it did it. Told you, told you, told you, told you, and this is US 30. There you go. Now, there it is. That just turned to green. All of them are green. Let's go to the 1 minute and see what we got going on up there. Told you, told you, told you, told you, told you, and told you some more. Buy stop. 5-minute US 30. We've already hit take profit in 1. We've already hit take profit 2, 3, 4, 5. We've already called a 5-second buy on US 30. It came true. A 10-second buy on US 30. It came true. A 15-second buy on US 30. There you go. Who's happy this morning? Who's happy this morning?
I am not a financial advisor.
All right. What's up, Uber Eats guy? You know how much more money you can make trading? That nothing wrong with Uber Eats. I use you guys all the time. I leave huge tips all the time. But trust me, you can make a tad bit more money trading. I'm up $34,867 on a gold demo trade right here. Yeah. How do you go about getting the system? Well, I've been on for 3 years. First thing I would do, go over, watch my training video, especially the J&J one. Just sit there and watch it. Spend an hour and a half of your life. Get comfortable with this system. Then you go over to the safetytrade.com and you buy it. We ran out yesterday. It's funny. I was like, whoopsie, sold out. Safetytrade.com is where you go buy it, though. Now, let's check NAS and see what we can catch on NAS around here. It hit its 10-second blue line, 15-second blue line. It's already over its 30-second blue line. Son of a, look at that shit go. Now, where is it going to? Buy stop NAS to the 5-minute, or at least towards the 5-minute blue line. Take profit 1 NAS, 17,668. Take profit 2 at NAS, 17,708. Take profit 3 NAS. You know, when yesterday, I think NAS ended up being up and SPX was up a little, US 30 was down a little, whatever it was. They had no explanation. Oh, gee whiz, the tariffs caused it to go down. Well, what the fuck's that about then, going up, dipshits? They have no clue. Don't ever believe what they tell you about the news. It's 100% complete lies. NQ1, let's see what we got going on here. As called out to the 3-minute blue line yesterday. Okay, here you go. NQ1, take profit 1. 7 buy stop, 5 minutes, 17,837. Take profit 2. This will happen today, by the way, this morning before 9:30. 17,893. And let's just throw 18,006. Again, my system calls the buys. My system calls the sells. Oh, love this buy stop. Holy fuck. 15-minute buy, 10-minute buy. Yeah. 1 hour sell. Take profit 1 on NQ1. 16,817. I personally would never take a sell on NQ1, but it'll happen. Now, where is it going to? Let's see. Already hit its 12 like I told you. It's going to arch up and then hook and come back down. NQ1 sell stop to 16,810. NQ1 15,561. Sell, but I would never play a sell in NQ1 because I'm as smart as a 8 and 12-year-old child that's learned that you never go against the overall flow. So if you look at this, NQ1 long term is 100% a buy. Let me be clear. Demo buy, weekly, 3 weekly, NQ1. Take profit 1, 18,200, 18,500, 19,000. 19,200, 20,000. And I love this take profit. It will go to 20,000. I'll just call 21,000. NQ1 will go to 20,900, period. That's where it's going to. Will it be there today? Not likely. Will it be over there over the next several weeks and months? 100%, absolutely, yes, that's where it's going to. Unless God does something different, that's where it's going to.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
SPX. SPX 500 and ES1 are exactly the same. It's a 5-minute buy stop. Let's see what we got over here. Yes. Let me see the 3-minute. It's already just hit it. Buy stop. SPX. Take profit 1. 5,142. It's not a matter of if this is going there. It's fucking going there. and it'll be there between now and 10:20 this morning. 5,140. It's going up as you speak. As I'm saying these words, it's going up. SPX, you're looking at a 5-minute buy stop. It is absolutely going back to 5,154. And then, let's see, I'm just going to throw these up. 5,180. This is a 5-minute buy stop, demo only. 5,219. You'll hear the ka-chings here shortly. Now, if you'd rather play the stupid sells that I would never touch in a million years, it is a 1-hour sell stop. Take profit 4,948, 4,835. And no, the market isn't collapsing. It's the silliest thing I ever heard. It's just setting us up for another buy. You can see SPX goes as low as 4,600. Personally, we need SPX to go all the way back down to, for my taste, 4,000. Then it will be properly reset. Until SPX 500 hits 4,000, you guys do what you want to do. Now, let me be clear on SPX, NAS, and US 30. Once these are all done resetting, it will 100% go up. SPX, let me be clear, will be back to, without a doubt and without exception, it will be there. It is a 3-week monthly buy stop. It still has to go further down. It's a 3-month buy stop. It still has to go further down. Take profit 1, 5,280. 5,320. It will go back to 5,576, period. Whether it takes several days, weeks, or months, it will go there. The tariff news is a bunch of lies. The tariff news is a bunch of shit. The tariff news is bullshit. They're going to use tariff news. Oh, it went up because of the tariffs. Oh, it went down because of the tariffs. Oh, news is bullshit. News is bullshit. News is bullshit. I'm telling you exactly what's going to happen with SPX. That's exactly what's going to happen.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
What's up, George Hyde? Good morning, George. Next up is ES1. In case you didn't notice, ES1 and SPX 500 are exactly the same. Never any differences. ES1, we've already had it already go up, 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 up. Let me see what this 10-minute is about right here. Let me see that 5-minute. Yeah, it's a 5-minute buy stop, correct. All right, ES1, 5-minute buy stop to the blue line. Take profit 1, 5,179 for ES1. Take profit 2. SPX is already crossing, as just called out a minute ago. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on. Let me get over there. ES1 is taking profit. There you go. You're in the money. Listen to your money. Listen to your money. Listen to your money. As you listen to it, go over to thesafetytrade.com and buy the system. There you go. There it is. If I can do this, you can do this. There's your money alerts. It told you there's your ES1 crossing. Just called it out from my mouth to God's ears to yours wallets. Look at SPX going up before your very eyes. ES1 going up before your very eyes. NQ1 going up before your very eyes. NAS going up before I told you exactly where this is going. I told you yesterday, I told you the day before, I told you for the last 3 fucking years. I've told you over 2,100 YouTube videos. NAS is in the money. US 30 is in the money. NQ1 for you guys who do funded trader in the money, probably with zero drawdown, by the way. SPX is in the money. ES1 is in the money. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. So let's just keep making money. I keep calling it out. I can't even get through the symbols before it makes the money for us. Let's go back. We have a 5-minute buy stop to the blue line for ES1. You've heard it just ding-a-ling, 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 and hit take profit 1 and 2. It'll do it again and again and again. Let me go back over to here and let me pop this out for just 1 second. There we go. Okay. Now, ES1, take profits are called. If you don't want to do these short-term buys, you can look at a more medium-term, probably the rest of the day sell. And I can tell you where that's going to, even though I never trade sells on any of these indices. The indices always will end up going up. But here's your call for ES1. It's going to arch up. It's going to come up like this hook, and it's going to come down, whenever that is, rest of the day, I guess. Take profit 1 on the sell, 5,011. Take profit 2, 4,895. Take profit 3, 4,641. Personally, I don't think that's low enough. I think it needs to go down to 4,000. I think it needs to go down to 3,500. But you guys trade the way you want. I'm telling you right now, it is forming a super strong 3-week monthly buy stop. Take profit 1 for ES1, 5,300. Take profit 2, 5,350, 5,400. It will absolutely go back to 5,777 for ES1. Abso-fucking-lutely it will. Okay.
Demo trade only. I am
All
not
of you
a
watching
financial
should be
advisor.
done with your trading. You've already made profit after profit, including gold, SPX 500, ES1, NQ1, NAS 100, and US 30. You've made nothing but money. Nothing but money. Yay. Thank you, God. Does anybody have any questions on how I'm doing this? If I can do it, you can do it. Sorry, guys, doing a little something here.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Japan 225. Crossing what to look for, says Amy Lou. Absolutely, Amy Lou. Orlando, please look at Japan. Only ask once, Orlando. You're better than that. Don't repeat. Okay. So Japan 225. Sure. We can look at that. Just a minute. Let's see. Japan 225. Sorry, we already had this pulled up. I'll pull it up on Pepperstone. All right. Damn. Doesn't even, all the indices look the same. Doesn't matter the country. It's funny. I'll call Japan 225 out and just still like Oxy. Don't know, but I'll check it out for you, Guy Burger. Okay. Now, what's this, Sam Deep? Oh, Cashew, what's up? I haven't seen from you in a while. Heard from you in a while. What's up, Cashew? I always call him Cashew. All right, Japan 225. Let's take a look. Has my system called it out flawlessly? Yes, these are every signal that's ever been called on Japan 225. These are demo trades only, closed, all profitable. Demo trades open, all profitable. That's the green. Green means money. Come over to here. We see something weird. 1 second, 5 second. Looks like it's farting around. Obviously, it's gotten crushed just like all the other indices. Let me see what I can see here for us. 15 second, 30 second buy. Buy stop to the 30-second blue line. Take profit 1, Japan 225, 32,825. Okay. Buy stop, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute buy stop. Take profit 33,303, 33,781, 34,676. Sell stop. A 1 hour, 2 hour sell stop. But to where is she going? That is the question. Already hit it. Okay, that's what you're going to see Japan 225 do. It's going to come up. It's going to ricochet. Let me draw it out for you. Some of you are a little whatever. It's going to hook up like this, hook, come back down and do this. It'll go back to the blue line. It's going to go back below here. So here are your profits for the sells. 1 hour sell stop. It will go back down below 32,064, 30,900, 30,000. That's where it's going to go below, and that is Japan 225. But let me be clear on Japan 225. It is 100% a weekly, 3-weekly buy stop. It is not crashing down to nowhere. This is a long-term buy. Take profit one, 33,714, 34,216, 35,470, 37,227. I'm telling you, it will go back over 38,000 in a matter of, I don't know, months to a year, somewhere in that range. It will go back up over that. By the way, let me be clearer on that. It'll go over 42,000 again. That is Japan 225, all the way from the 5-second up until the 3-week.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Grilliano. Good morning, Sandeep. Let's look at Oxy next. Oh, you guys just heard money after money after money on all 6 symbols that we trade so regularly, which means US 30, NAS, NQ1, SPX 500, ES1, and gold have all been profitable this morning. Let's look at Oxy. Occidental Petroleum. This has been called a buy. Let's take a look over here, shall we? And see. All right. We called this a buy a long time ago. Looks like it's a 1 minute. Has my system called out Oxy Petroleum successfully in the past? Yep, my signal service, 100% win rate on all demo closed trades, 100% win rate on all open trades. You can clearly see from my sniper rifle that there's something going on with the ST safety trades to the 1 minute blue line. Let's take a look. It is 3 minute. It is. Let me see the 30-second. It is passed. Buy stop, Oxy. Take profit one, $39.42. Take profit two, $39.54. Let's go ahead and go upwards and see what this is all about. Let's see the 5 minute. Absolutely. $40, $42, $43. Take profit on a 5 minute, 10 minute buy. $45. Now, Oxy does have a little challenge here. It is a 30-minute sell stop for the moment. Let me see where that's going to. Jeez, it's already been slammed. Ooh-wee. Now, Jiminy Christmas. Is this a yearly? Oh, yeah, this is gorgeous. I don't know if I told one of my family members this. Let me go ahead and record this and send it. Let me see. Good morning. I don't remember if I told you, but this is Oxy, the petroleum. It is a sell for the next three-month monthly, but don't worry about that. Get in somewhere around here. Put your buy stop around $50, whatever that is. It's absolutely going back to $82. Love this buy stop demo trade only. It's absolutely going to be over 105 and 110. This is a 6-month, 12-month strong buy stop on Oxy Petroleum. Good morning. I don't remember if I told you this is Oxy. All right, that's that. Let me go ahead and go back. You hear that? You hear that? Listen. Listen to the money talk. You're welcome, Orlando. We're looking at gold. Gold is crossing. Let's go to gold. Gold. Let's see with gold. Something good. I'm sure it always is. Gold. But look at gold, told you. Gold is going to its 3-minute blue line. Your take profit 1 has been hit. Your take profit 2 has been hit. We're waiting for gold to go to its 3-minute blue line today. And it will. Just like clockwork. Look at all that money you're making. You're making money on gold. You're making money on ES1, NQ1, SPX, NAS, and US 30. All morning long, every morning, all calls correct. For the last over 3 years, 2,100 videos. You'll never see missed calls on these 5-second, 10-second, 50. This is the easiest shit on earth. If you want to get funded, just scam and steal every call I make for NQ1 and ES1 and just make those trades and you'll be a funded trader by the end of any session. How about that?
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Yes, the safety trade system is the greatest of all time. Without doubt, the system is. It will be taught, I hope, as low as middle schoolers. All that old-fashioned bullshit about support and resistance, all that market shit will be fucking finally thrown out. Never needs to be taught again. RSI blows. Volume VWAP blows. All the market basic and fundamentals are so important. No, they're not. They're a bunch of shit and they suck. Period. The best system in the world is what you're looking at right here. This is the best system in the world. Period. Nothing else comes close to the safety trade system. No other trader is out there trading every morning with you. 1-second trades. Don't even know what a 1-second chart is. They're too scared to trade down in a 5-second, 10-second. No one can do that except me every fucking day. And if I can do it, you can do it. You're welcome, Barry Deutsch. Hope I answered Uber Eats guy. Little Dreamers. My little sister, whom I love. Little sister. Best brother, best sister, best wife in the whole wide world. Oh, yeah. Pressure's been knocked out. All right. Absolutely the best system in the world, literally. Yep. Thank you, Sog. It's not even close. There's no other system that does this. There's no other system that tracks every trade. There's no other system that tells you what's going to happen on 5-second to 6. I just called a 12-month trade. I just called a 12-month trade on Oxy. I've been trading 5-second, 10-second, 15-second trades with you all morning long. System works on 1 second. It works on yearly. Are you fucking kidding me? And how about this? My system actually works. How about that for a thought? Yeah, I lost money for 2.5 years to other quote unquote gurus that didn't know their head from a hole in the ground. Scam artists. Paid $1,200 a month for a signal service, never gave me one correct signal. Get out of here. You notice how all the haters are really quiet these days now that I'm trading 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, 30-second trades with no losses every fucking day. No more haters. They can't do anything. They can't say anything. What are they going to say? Oh, you didn't really make all those trades? Get the fuck out of here. I'm in the mood to rip the old ways. Facts. The old ways of trading fail over 99% of the time. Let me be clear. I believe that you have to ignore the entire trading industry or at least 99.999% of it. Facts. The Fibonacci retracement fails. Facts. Looking to the left, ascending wedges, descending wedges, support and resistance, head and shoulders, naming of candle and candle patterns, VWAP volume, RSI, Bollinger Bands, earnings, all that news, all of that's bullshit. None of it works. Yes, it'll be right like a broke clock a couple times, but over an extended period of time, they are never profitable long term. Don't take my word for it. Is it me not being able to use it? How about fucking 93% of all day traders, all of our fellow traders quit within 2 years? And that number is low. I'm telling you, it's closer to 99% of all traders quit within 2 years. So if all that old bullshit worked, why would 93 to 99% of us quit? The answer, if the old shitty ways of trading worked, they would not leave trading. Conclusion, the old ways of trading suck ass and fail us. Good morning, Justin. Good morning, Brian Claus. If anybody would like to write out the word facts, feel free, because those are facts. If anybody would like to call in from America, I'm not dealing with international calls. It's a bunch of bullshit. I ain't doing it. Anybody want to call in from America and argue with me that any of these old ways of trading work 99% of the time, then come on, call in. No one ever has. No one ever will, because they don't have any balls and they don't know how to trade, and they don't think truly deep down that RSI works. They know Bollinger Band fails. They know naming of candle patterns and candle. Are you just what the fuck? Who would fall for that stupidity? Naming of these stupid candles that aren't even candles is the stupidest thing. Oh, morning star, evening star. Look for the butterfly pattern. Look for, oh, he learned all that. Kevin knows all the, yeah, I've been fucking trading for 10 years. I know all the useless fucking ways to trade. They all suck ass. This is the truth, what you're looking at. The safety trade system. Guess what? You know who else gets it? Not you guys, but you want to know who gets it? If you type in the ChatGPT fucking AI that all of you love, AI loves the safety trade system. Matter of factly, we're changing over one of our websites to show exactly. ChatGPT wrote our own script for us, our own sales pitch. The conclusion, quote unquote, from ChatGPT, the AI, supposedly the most advanced AI in the world, says the safety trade system by Kevin Grego is a structured, disciplined trading system designed to minimize risk and increase the probability of success by focusing on high probability trade setups. Here's your high probability trade setups. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. And it's going to the 3-minute blue line. That's why you're making money this morning. It does it on gold. It does it on any symbol that it can be charted, over 1,000 of them on TradingView. It is especially popular among traders who value consistent returns. Duh, ChatGPT. Which one of us don't value consistent returns? Every trader in the world, that's all they want is consistent returns. And ChatGPT is telling us we have people that are retired with my system. We have a member who's so successful with the system, he literally made his own in Norway. He's licensed in Norway, and he made his own trading platform. This is him. Hero Markets. You go, Goroff. Very proud of him. So yeah, give me no shit. Oh, but RSI, no, it doesn't. RSI sucks fucking ass. It's wrong. Wrong 99% of the time. Anyone want to call in and argue with me? Go ahead. Get the fuck out of here. No one calls in because you're all know the truth. All the old ways suck. What's up, D Jones? All right. Now, what time is it? Is there any news this morning? News sucks ass. It just interrupts my whole flow. I'll trade it. I kick its ass. CPI. The only news I care about, let me be clear. NFP, CPI, or FOMC, and FOMC is only at 2 o'clock, and I'm not normally trading then. Sometimes PPI does something. CPI will move something. we can at least make some easy money on those clowns that try to BlackRock and Vanguard. This system, my system, is the greatest trading system in the world. Don't believe me? Good. Go back over and watch these training videos when you see me trading 1 second, 5 second demo trades, live trades, and just keep rewatching them. You'll see the truth. You'll see the truth of trading, and it's right here. Someone did ask that I teach on how to. This is not St. John Beach break. This is the St. John's Trunk Bay. This is what this is. Trust me, I've been there several times now. But yeah, I can teach you how to use the system using these islands right here. It is so easy. Matter of fact, I thought I uploaded. Hold on a second. I took over 400 pictures when we were down there. Yeah, see, this is the other picture. Not only can I show you how to do this, Bree and I just came back from this, and these are some fill in the gap trades right here. This is so fun. It's prettier in life than you can see in this picture. So watch what happens. Price action comes down, right? Hooks, hooks, and then comes back up, right? These are called fill in the gap trades. Doesn't quite go all the way down. Comes back up, will always cross over here, always, and does. Yeah, you can see patterns, the safety trade system in anything. When you're at the grocery store, when you're at a mall, you'll start seeing the buy stop and sell stop patterns everywhere. That's when you know you're getting close to breaking through and making money consistently. When you can look at these pictures and say, holy shit, yep, there's a buy stop right here. You can clearly see the one island comes down. This is your break below, and then it comes back up again. Yeah. And by the way, this beach gets a hell of a lot busier than what this is looking like right here. It's unbelievable. Yeah, TradingView was down yesterday, a little shithead. Our store, love the merchandise. I got a whole bunch in. Secret Harbor, just the Secret Harbor that you see right here doesn't do it justice. This is the palm tree I took a picture of actually when I was there. Bree and I just had gotten back now for about a month from here. This best snorkeling ever, best beach ever, just gorgeous. Can't speak highly enough. We walked up and down this beach probably a couple dozen times. Just gorgeous. A private beach strictly for Secret Harbor residents. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Temperature's always perfect. Like I've come back. We've had rain back where I'm at for like, I don't even know, maybe a week straight. And it got so cold. Here it's sunshine and butterflies all day long, every day, except for when, of course, they have their hurricanes hit them. Other than that, ungodly beautiful. Yep. You can trade from here. Matter of fact, I'll be trading from Vegas soon again. Hell, I might be trading from who knows where. We'll see. This is me calling Bitcoin. Look at that shit. Oh, no one called Bitcoin to go to 72 to 68 to 65 to 62 to 4. Oh, wait, except for me. People are clowns. Learn how to trade for once in your lives. Please learn how to trade for once in your lives. Blue tide acrylics. Kim the Candle Envy Lady. They always come up with a new number. I swear I don't even know. Okay. Now, FOMC tomorrow at 2 p.m. and Thursday, core CPI. Thursday is core CPI. So let's see. Thursday. CPI. Good. FOMC is bullshit. Sorry, I was talking to Terry. I got a little sleep. Sissy has a very nasty cough. She was up from 11 to 2, then 3 to 5. She's kind of sleeping now in my lap. When she gets up, I'll call. Okay. Oh. All right. FOMC tomorrow. Thank you, Huari. Thank you, Raider Trader. Old school, because no one ever can. Old school, I know. Old school, how long you been with me? Thank you, Larry, for responding to Uber Eats guy. Appreciate you. All right. Gold 3-minute buy stop to the blue line. Play any buy stop until gold hits its 3-minute blue line. We've already made money on gold. It's already shot up a couple different times. A couple dollars here or there. All right. Anybody have any other symbols they want me to check? Good morning to, wow, we got quite a few people. We're over 100 and something, about 120 people in all the different places. Good morning to everybody on TikTok, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Twitter, Twitch, and X. Yeah, I know X is one of those. I don't care. Good morning, Larry Cooper, Super Z, user 8617. Good morning to Uber Eats guy, everybody on TikTok. Good morning to D Jones. Good morning to Old School Mick. Good morning to Huare, Raider Trader. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Anything you guys want me to check, any symbol you want me to check, just ask. We have time this morning. If you want me to go over training, I'll go over some training. I'm trading through open just like I did, well, for weeks now. I've been back, and I will continue to be back. We are making huge progress on the crypto edition of the Safety Trade System. The Safety Trade System crypto edition will be released shortly here. Let me get this. Aha, SPX. Here we go. You hear that? Listen. Listen to the money talking. You guys hear that? What are we looking at? Let's see. Seems to be SPX crossing something. Gee, I don't know. Oh, look at it. Look at SPX go up as called, as told you, as drew out, told you where it's going. Told you, told you, told you, told you. US 30 crossing. Look at US 30. Let's see what US 30 is doing. Look. Yep, US 30 in the money. NAS in the money. SPX in the money. Everything's cha-chinging. Cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. Every morning, the same money sounds. Start making some demo money so you can purchase the system. Trade. If I can do this, you can do this. Look at this. SPX made money. ES1 made money with no drawdown. NQ1 made money. All right. Head over here to the safetytrade.com and you too can make the exact same calls I am. Guyberger, I will get to XRP. Good morning, Filio. I've already called XRP, by the way.
Demo trade only. I am financial advisor. Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Old school Mick, nearly 3 years. Yeah. And I have some people with me almost, what is Tommy, like 3.5, and Keith. Morning, Filio. Morning, Guyberg. I'll go over XRP in just a minute. Morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. We're just cha-chinging all kinds of money on all these things. You're just making money hand over fist, as you do every morning. Demo money only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right. Where are we? Okay. Well, besides making money on US 30 NAS, NQ1, SPX, ES1, and gold, let's go ahead and call out XRP, even though I already did. Has my system called out XRP correctly? Yep. All my signals, demo, closed trades, profitable. 59 cents looks like 47 cents. All open trades, profitable. So, yep, something's going on with it. You can clearly see XRP's red arrow and green arrow, the 1 minute and 3 minute. So, what's the difference there? We'll head over and take a look. It is a 1 minute buy. Yep. Buy stop to the 3 minute blue line as called out this morning, by the way. Take profit for you, $1.91, $1.92. That is for XRP on a 3 minute buy. Now, where else are we going with all this? It's a 1 hour sell. Where to, though? Let's go over here and see. 1 hour sell. 1 hour sell XRP. Already hit the 7 hour blue line. Okay, here you go. It's going to ricochet. What you're going to see is this. Price action is going to do that. Come over, hook, and come back down. So what you're going to see then is this. Okay. What you're going to see is this. Sell, it's going to be a short-term buy. Then sell stop 1 hour to the 7 hour blue line of XRP, $1.73, $1.64, XRP, $1.52, XRP, $1.52, $1.30 for XRP, 99 cents for XRP. I wouldn't trade any of those sells. I would do some dollars cost averaging buys, actually. But at any rate, already take profit. 1 has been hit and 2 has been hit on these buys. I would look at XRP as a weekly buy stop. $1.96, $2.04. It will absolutely go back up to $2.41. Love that buy. XRP is a weekly buy, $2.41, take profit. $2.80, $3.20, and $4. It's going to take a minute, but it's going there. It will go way past where it was. All this is just another buying opportunity. Don't let the fear of whatever bullshit news they're trying to tell you matter. Tariffs this, tariffs that. Tariffs aren't doing shit. The market is doing exactly as called by the safety trade system. The market is not volatile. The market isn't going sideways. The market isn't crashing. It's creating buy stops on the weekly. Take that to the bank. I'm the voice of reason when all the other news you hear is bullshit. Come back to here when you see what happens exactly as called. Just keep coming back. The truth will set you free. Good morning, Kevin. Say sure you make money on the Bitcoin futures. Nice, Kirk. Good morning, Kirk Brown. Good morning, Marley Marr, Kirk Brown. Glad you're making money this morning. We're making all kinds of fucking money on US 30 NAS, NQ1, SPX, ES1, and gold. All morning long, you've been hearing ding, ding, dings.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Excuse me. Believe it or not, I am feeling 100% better, well, 99% better. that to be that. We'll do that. That's fine. All right. Man, I miss you, Kev. Well, I've been here back for weeks now. Morning, Johan. God bless. All right. Thank God for another day above ground, another day of health, happiness, spiritual close with you. Thank you for healing me and Bree and all of our loved ones and friends and family, healing us up physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, in every way we need to be healed. I ask your healing a blessing upon us in Jesus' name, including every one of my listeners. Please let everyone that hears my voice have their eyes, ears, heart, and soul open so that they can actually learn how to trade, to make money consistently. In Jesus' name, amen. All right. What's up, John Parker? Oh, XLM's the same as XRP. XRP is the same as Bitcoin. Johnson & Johnson, baby. Sure looks like a weekly sell to me. Johnson & Johnson, sell stop weekly to 148 take profit, to 145 take profit, to 141 take profit. Can it go down there? Sure, why not? To 112 take profit. But I would never sell J&J. I would look at this as only buying opportunities. It is the strongest possible buy recommendation, 3-month, 1-month buy stop on Johnson & Johnson. It is ungodly a buy. It will absolutely go back to 160, 161. Abso-fucking-lutely. Demo trade only, remember.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Oh, good. SPX crossing. Listen. Can you hear the money rock? Let's look at SPX. SPX crossing. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. We could just call this the cha-ching channel. Doesn't stop making money. Listen to it. Look at how gorgeous that is. Gee whiz, guys. I wonder if it's going to its 5-minute blue line as called out hour and a half ago, actually. Look. There it goes. SPX in the money. Look at ES1. Oh, look at that. ES1's the exact same chart as SPX. That's weird. Wonder if anyone taught you that. Jesus, I swear. Some of you. Yeah. ES1 in the money. Little to no drawdown. Y'all should be already at a 57 eval pass right here. SPX, same exact chart in the money. As called out live on 5-second, 10-second, 15 trades this morning. NQ1 in the money. See it go up? Watch. See the buy stop? Green, 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 red. This is a broken box. Buy stop. And up she goes. Oh, what about NAS? NAS is the exact same thing as NQ1. See the chart? They're exactly the fucking same. All these I'm naming, all profitable over and over and over. And look at US 30. They're all the same. So when I call out US 30, NAS, NQ, SPX, and ES1, they're always right because they always trade the same. And if we ever can get US 30 or SPX to off a little bit, that's where the free money comes in. They'll catch up and then they'll change and then they'll do it. So this is all free money. Look at it go up. If you don't think this is a lot of fucking money right here that was just made this morning, you are clueless and have no knowledge of the power you'd have got in here of US 30. This is literally 184 pips. For those of you who have no clue of how to trade, 184 pips. Here, US 30 crossing, 38,892. There's US 30 going up, before your very eyes. The alert I made this morning is triggering now. Do you hear it? Do you hear it? What's up, John West? Took my money and ran. Can you read Nas 100 again? I just did, Chuck. Good morning, Chuck. Nice. It's a buy. Do you hear what's happening? It's a fucking buy. There it is again. Tesla. Look at it go. Tesla? Pre-market trading? What the fuck is that? Might be. Excuse me. SPX again. Geez, sorry. I have to message someone. I'm sorry. SPX. Yep, look at it. Look at it. Look at it go up. Jiminy fucking Christmas. Look at that. SPX to the, regardless whether it hits this 5-minute blue line or not, this buy stop is profitable hugely on SPX. The buy stop is almost off the screen profitable on ES1. NQ1. They're all the same. They've all made money. NAS, look at it. They're all the same. They've all made money. And there they go. This is huge money being made this morning. I make it look easy. If I can do this, you can do this. John West says this is the best system in the world. 15-second, 30 seconds says John West on gold. Sound effects are highly satisfying. Isn't it nice? You're welcome, Chuck. I hope that helped you. Oh, let me check TikTok real quick. Yeah, they make me do this timeout thing. Nice. Okay, now can we find any other buy stops around here? I don't know. You're up 100, what, almost 200 pips on US 30 alone? Nope, buy stop. Okay, so here's a 5-second buy stop for me. You're going to see the blue come down, the pink and the purple will cross the blue. You're going to see this probably turn to red. Yep, just turned to red. You're going to see green, 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 red. You're going to see price go back up. It'll go past this orange line for take profit 2. Take profit 1 is the yellow line. Take profit 2 is the orange line. Take profit 3 is right here. So that's how I'm looking at it, and that's what's going to happen. Boop. Take profit 2, 38,981. NAS is doing the same thing. 5-second buy stop NAS. Take profit 2, 17,767. These are 5 seconds. Let me see, 10 seconds. Yeah, 5 second, 10-second buy. It's going to absolutely do what I said. You're going to see the pink, pink cross the blue. I think that's what Amy Lou asked about. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. You'll see it come back up. You'll see it go past here, here, and here. And those will be your buys. Okay. And this is for NAS. This is for US 30. Let me go ahead and check. Also, also for NQ1. Let me see SPX. Same thing for SPX. Yeah. 5 second, 10-second buy stop. You'll see it cross. Let me see US 30. Yeah, they're all going to do it. Oh, here, you know what I can do? Hold on, let me load up some cha-chings. Here we go. There's your US 30 buy happening before I can even get my little sound effects in. US 30 buys in the money, as told you was going to happen on the 5-second chart. It's happening exactly as I told you. The pink will cross the blue. The purple will come up. You'll see this turn to green. You'll see price action. See it go up right before your very eyes. Buy the system. Buy the system. Buy the system. Look at that. Right before your very eyes, it's doing it. Not only doing it here, it's going to be doing it here on NAS. Yep, NAS, exact same thing. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, take profits are hit. Jeez, oh, Pete, I can't even get my alerts sound effects in. But look, take profit 1 did exactly like I said. NQ1 did the exact same thing as NAS. SPX 500, it's going to go up right before your very eyes. It's already done it, but I'm going to put my alert right here so at least you guys can hear that when it happens. And ES1 is the exact same thing as SPX. You see it? You see it going up? There you go. US 30 crossing. SPX crossing. NAS crossing. You guys witnessing this? Look at how fucking fantastic this is. Look at how fucking fantastic this is. US 30 in the money. I told you what is going to happen before it happened. NAS in the money. I drew out and told you what was going to happen before it happened. Told you where it was going to go to. Told you that it was going up, that it was a buy stop. NQ1 did exactly as I told you. SPX take profit in the money. ES1 in the money. NQ1 in the money. NAS in the money. Everything in the money. All of it in the money.
Demo trade only.
Buy the system. TheSafetyTrade.com. Buy the system so you can finally learn how to make money in your lives consistently through trading. There it is. What more living proof do you have to do than I show you, tell you, put up the little alerts, 90% of the time trade with you. There's ES1. I should see a whole bunch of thank gods. Thank you for the system. Just thanks. 7s, yeses. No other trader is on here in the mornings, every morning for the last 3 years, telling you to take 5-second trades and being correct every fucking time. On ES1, your stupid E-minis, SPX, NQ1, NAS, US 30. So by the time I look over the comments, I better see a shit ton of thank yous, a shit ton of being grateful. Okay, let's see what I see. 777s. Best system in the world, Georgia. Thank you. Thank you, Marlon. Okay, that's good. I'll stick around for a little longer. Good morning, Mike Glowinski. What's up, Mike? What's up, MH? Good morning, John West, Banner Video, Kirk, Barry Deutsch, Marley Marr, Larry Cooper, Chuck, Luis Ramos. That's good, Luis. Welcome aboard. Everyone welcome Luis Ramos. Well, he didn't buy yet, but I believe him. Thank you, Kevin Bree, times a million, the best ever. Thank God for the system. I know, what the fuck more? Oh, by the way, here's another one. 30-minute, US 35-second buy stop. Ton of thank yous, says John Wayne's 45. I need a one-on-one. Yeah, you can get one, John, but you'll have to write a nicely worded email to Bree because I don't do those anymore. I can't stand doing those. Good morning, Matt Parker. What's up, Matt? John, I give you a much better idea. Head over to here and it'll save you hundreds of dollars. Head over here and just rewatch these training videos. I personally handpicked each one of these videos. They're amazing. That J&J one. Just watch it. Rewatch it. Oh, I've done all, okay. I mean, write a nicely worded email to Bree. I'm sure she can work something out for you. But this is a 5-second buy stop forming on US 30. Again. Matter of factly, maybe I can get the time in this time. Let's do this. I'm going to go ahead and put my ka-chings in for you. Create. All right. Let me go to NAS. Jeez, oh, pizza. Really? US 30's already in profit? Damn. 5-second buy stop US 30. 5-second buy stop NAS. I can't even create this. It'll go. NQ1. Also a 5-second buy stop. Look at the money. Just printing money. You know where to put your take profits. That's where I'm putting my alerts. Okay.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Listen to that money. Just listen to the money. Wow. Look at it go up. There's your 5-second buy stop. That's why it's clicking. All take profits hit for US 30. See it going up right before your very eyes. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Look at it. Look at it. Over and over again this morning. Listen to it. NQ1's in the money now. I mean, time after time after time. Look at this. There it is. There's your money on NQ1. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop in the money. Told you it was going to go past here. There's NAS in the money now. These are your alerts. NAS is in the money. NQ1's in the money. US 30's in the money. SPX is in the money. Okay. Yeah, all those are taking profit. All those profits have been hit. Just amazing. I will, and you got me on board. Nice, John Wayne. I like hacking the unhackable. Yeah. Yeah, they said no one can figure out Forex. They were wrong. I did. Kirk Prout loading up more on the J&J leaps. Absolutely. Absolutely, Kirk. Or just buy the stock. That way you don't even have to worry about it. John Wayne's 40, fuck the bank. Absolutely. I 100% agree on that one. 100%. Matt Parker, NAS, 5-minute buy in the money. Boom. 30-minute in the money. Yep, there you go, Matt. Well, I took my pips and ran. Could have held that baby with a nice 5-second trade. Nice call, coach. Thank you, Matt. Had 4 trades going all in the money. Nice, old school, Mick. Nice. Congratulations to all of you out there. Super Z, Builder Las Vegas, and Larry Cooper. Chuck Nice. Marley Marr on TikTok and user 1570. 4 trades in the green. Thank you, Kevin. You're welcome, Barry. Gold, I'm done for today. Love your lives. I watch every video religiously. Thank you, John West. Done for the day. I love to hear that when people say they're done for the day. This is going to be right now. This is a 5-second NQ1 buy stop forming. Oh, gold, gold, gold. Let's go to gold. Look at gold. Look at gold go off. See the gold alert right here? Set just, well, maybe a half hour ago or something. There you go. Let's take a look. Let's see where gold is going as called out live. Gee, I wonder if gold is shooting upward to its 3-minute blue line. I just wonder if that's the case. Look, pink, green, green, green. There's your buy stop here. Look at it shoot upwards. As called out, as put alarmed out, there's your gold buy stop. So far this morning, I lost count how many times I've been correct. But for demo trading on US 30 NAS, NQ1, SPX 500, ES1, and gold, there has never been one wrong call, 100% accurate winning calls, all of them in the money, all of them profitable, all of them multiple times profitable. If I can do this, you can learn to do this. Buy the safety trade system at thesafetytrade.com. Learn how to effing trade so you can make consistent profits in your life. I'm doing it all morning long. You can just steal all my calls. I do it every day. Feel free to steal, but that karma will come back and kick you in your ass. So you need to go ahead and buy the system and support what is making you this money. Support what we do. Because quite frankly, I still have about a year left to get that robot done. So it's going to be a minute. And it's hard to trade with you guys, trade for myself, get Keith to code everything I need to get coded, and still have a life. So, you know, it's not that I can work on this 24/7, 7 days a week. That's not the case. Usually I'm on in the mornings nowadays anyways for 2 or 3 hours with you every morning. Then I usually come on throughout the day. And then I still have to do all the actual other work. Thank God for my beautiful wife, Bree, who does all the shitty ass emails and paperwork part of side of things. But yeah, I have a life. I'm enjoying life. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Just look at this. Look at it. I don't know. Hope you all are buying the system. John West says, buy the system. It's going to be life-changing. Thank you, John. John West, gold, I'm done for the day. Nice, John West. Welcome, John Wayne. Good morning, Eric. Good morning, Lachey. What a nice morning. If you want to hear ka-chings, go back and watch this morning. We haven't had one wrong call. We've made nothing but demo money all morning long on 5-second calls. Oh, there's another one. Gold. 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 Just over and over again. Look at it go up. I called these out about an hour, hour and a half ago. Look at it.
Demo trade only.
Hey, Sally C, I think got your name fixed. Good morning, Sally C, Lachey, and Eric. NQ1, NQ1, NQ1. Let's see what NQ1's. Oh, look at NQ1 go. Holy shit. Look at that thing go. NQ1. Wow. Morning, Sally C. Thank you, Banner Video. Buy the system would be the best thing for yourself. Thank you for speaking up, Banner Video, without being asked. Thank you, John Parker. Buy the system, says Sally C. Thank you, Sally. Matt Parker to the 5-minute blue line, NQ. NAS or SPX first to hit. They are in a race. Blue lines, people systems, golden, says Matt. NAS or SPX. First, we could take bets on that. Let's see. Fake bets. Oh, look. Shit. Damn, NQ1's almost there. Damn, that's really good. NAS, you're right. NAS is almost there. I think SPX is trailing. I'm going to go with NAS. Now, don't count out US 30, by the way. All right, you guys should take bets. Is NAS, is ES1, SPX, NQ1, NS, NAS 100, or US 30? Which one's going to hit its 5-minute blue line or come close enough first?
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. NAS first, NAS, SPX, NAS, lime and honey and pineapple. I know, D Jones. Thank you, sir. A lot of people are saying NAS. Well, if it's NQ1, it'll be NAS. So I guess that's hand in hand. Um, yeah, NAS seems to always pull that shit out. Boy, it came really close right there, didn't it? Came really close right there. Let's see that SPX. Yeah, I'm gonna go with NAS too, I think. But either way, just look at all the fucking money we made. Just look at all the effing money. So when I called these out, it was right here. You'd have gotten in here and gone to about 50, 60 pips on SPX, which is unbelievably good. NAS, you'd have made somewhere from this one about here to somewhere right about there. 220 pips. Are you kidding me? On 5-second buy stops of the 5-minute blue lines. US 30, you'd be up 400. Oh my God. Holy shit. So you're up over 400 pips. If you don't know what that is, it's just a lot of fucking money. Like getting 20 pips is exceptional. Most people try to shoot for 100 pips a day and they can't even get like 5. So yeah, 440 pips plus 268. So that's 600. We're over 700 pips in this morning just off the 5 symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 symbols. That is crazy good money. Wow. JJ says NQ. You're welcome, user 1570. All right, well, let's go back on down and see what we see down here in our little levels of buy stops. 15-second buy stop, US 30 to the blue line of the 5-minute, or at least towards it's already done that. We're going to add our alerts to let me know when this hits over here, and it will soon. These are your take profit ones. As I teach you every day, you go off the yellow, which isn't low enough, so just use the orange and then above right here. That's US 30. Let's go over to NAS. NAS, 15-second buy stop to the 5-minute blue line. Take profit 1, 17,833. You'll be hearing these go off a little later. 17,851. Okay, NQ1 is also a 15-second buy to this 5-minute blue line. I'm just going to call one take profit here, 18,011. That's for NQ1, buy stop 15-second. SPX, we're just doing this every morning, all morning long. Love this one, 5,195. And that is SPX. Let's go to ES1. Exact same trade, of course. I'm going to put in 2 for here. Buy stop. Or you guys can take the sells, which I would never do, or you can do the daily buys. It's like a 1-hour sell. You're about to see that hook and come up right now. Actually, what you're going to see is this will turn back to green. You'll see price action go up. You'll see the pink cross the blue, which it did. You're going to see the blue come up. And there we go. NAS 100, US 30. Let's see. NAS 100, US 30. Oh, gee. Take profit 1 hit. NAS 100. Hear them? US 30. Take profit 1 hit. US 30. There it is. They're all doing the same thing. Pink crossing the blue, green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, and up she goes. It'll go past there. That is for US 30. You see the pattern? This is your high probability setup. If you go over to NAS right now, look, it's the exact same thing. Pink crossed the blue, green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop. You see it go up and went up to where the orange line was, as I told you it would. Let's go to NQ1. It's the exact same thing. Let me go over to my other charts here to show you what I mean. Here, look. We're going to put over here NQ1, 15-second, and then we're going to put over here US 30, 15-second. Okay. And what you're going to see on these is something spectacular. You're going to see the exact same formations happening right here, happening before your very eyes, right here and here. And they're both going up. One is US 30 on the left, 15 seconds, and on the right. This is the high probability setup that ChatGPT is telling you about. My high probability setups, look, this is on the right. This is, look, watch. This is, oh, God dang, hold on. I swear. Annoyances, annoyances, annoyances. Now we can do it. Watch. This is NAS, and this is US 30. Okay, so the exact same setups. Look, it's going up. All take profits are hit. This is US 30 on the left. This is NAS on the right, 15-second chart. Do you see the pattern? Blue line down on the sniper, pink cross, green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, up it goes to the orange line, take profit. Pink crosses the blue, green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, price action goes to the orange. Sevens, if you guys can see this pattern, this is the high probability success pattern that ChatGPT is trying to tell you about. Do you see it? I could also show you this on NQ1. I can show you this exact same pattern at the same time on SPX. It's the same pattern. Do you guys see this? Yes or no? Larry Cooper says yes. NQ says, JJ, Larry, yes, yes. Thank you, God. And this is what you need to hunt for and see. Look at it go up. So high. Look at it go up. This exact pattern is the same on US 30 as it is on SPX, as it is on NQ1, as it is on SPX, as it is on ES1. Matter of fact, let's do this. Let's see if we can get them. Here we go. You guys are going to die on this one. Okay. So let's see if we can show you all of these at the same time, and then you guys can laugh your ass off. Watch. All right. So now let's be clear what you guys are going to be looking at. Okay. Tesla. Oh, that's Colonel Crossing. I swear to God, they must be doing before hours. Yes, 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 sir. D. Jones. Okay, let's take a look. On our left is US 30. On our right to that is NAS. Okay, so we're just going to do this. Watch. Next to NAS is going to be NQ1. Next to NQ1 is going to be SPX. Next to SPX is ES1. Okay, so let's take a look. We're going to set them all to 15 seconds. Okay. Now, take a look. Take a look at these setups. What you guys are going to witness, hopefully, is going to really help you all out, is that they're all the exact same setups. Okay. So, ooh, why is that there? Hold on. Let's get rid of that one. Now watch. I can't even do it, and they're all making money over and over again. All right. So look, every last one of these, even though they're different symbols, have the exact same setup. Right here are your buy stops. Look, right here. Right here. They're all 5 of these are different symbols, quote unquote. They all have the same high probability success rate setup. This is called a buy stop in my system. Okay? So right now, you have US 30, you have NAS, you have NQ1, you have SPX, and you have ES1. All high probability setups. If it takes my runner out, I'm still in profit on the runner, thanks to the Most High and Kevin. Yeah, that's correct, Damian Hall. That is correct. I'm so grateful to God and the system. People buy the dang system. Thank you, Sally C, for speaking up. Does sevens, if you all see that these are all different symbols with the exact same setup at the exact same time, and you're on profit on all of these, please type out a 7 or a yes. US 30, NAS, NQ1, SPX, ES1. They're all different symbols, 5 different symbols with the same green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop as their high probability setup. Kev, does it work on cells? Yes. Does it work on cells? It actually works better on cells, but we just don't have that many cells these days. Certain symbols, yes, there's cells going on. Absolutely. Okay. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. It's been a hell of a fun morning. Hell of a fun morning. Thank you for speaking up, Justin. Same analogy except for reversed, all red, all green, and blue cross at the top and sell stop. Correct, Justin. You go, Justin. Oh, jeez. I'm on a live, and I think someone's trying to keep booting me out of here. They really have to do better with that. I'm really annoyed with TradingView. Shit. All right. Yes. So let's go ahead and do our analogies here for you guys. Watch. I'm going to pull these up for you. The analogies look like this. For a buy stop, what you're going to see is the fake price, the red trying to go down, the green pushing up, right? My indicator showing it's going to go up. Then there's going to be 3 more indicators pulling up. And this is what a buy stop looks like. Who asked that question? I forgot who asked that question. Okay. But, and, the same analogy goes, but this is a safety trade sell stop. So this analogy is if you're swimming in the ocean, right? You're in the ocean, you're trying to stay above the ocean. The trade's trying to stay up. But then my indicators show you that the 3 indicators grab you, pull you down. Then you have 3 more indicators push you down. So even the trade's trying to go up, eventually you're going to be pulled down. And that's called a sell stop. Okay. And that is a sell stop. You see the analogy? So yes, my system works on the way up and my system works on the way down. Woo, look at that little guy falling down. Pop. Originally made these for children to learn, but it's way better even for adults to actually see that. Trust me. I think it helps. Thank you for speaking up, Justin, and you're correct in your analogy. Okay. I hope you guys understand that analogy. I hope it helps. All righty. John Wayne, I hope you don't have the system already. I'm a little concerned with that, but I'll be right back in just a minute. Okay. Did you guys get sick of seeing that? All right, let's move that back over to here. Okay, now maybe I can stay in. Oh, shit. Precious. Yeah. Well, I need to get into those. All right, let's see what we can do with that. I don't know. Yeah, I always on. Jesus Christ. Okay. Same analogy. Yep. Thanks, Kev, for everything you and Bree do. Yep. Bree, not Pitt. Yep, that's true. I have been learning for 6 years and didn't know crap, but I got the system. Has been nothing but aha moments. Nice, Sally. Yeah, and trading without the system is near impossible. I don't think it is even possible not to really trade. So I can see why you'd have problems without the system. It's extremely, yes. All right. Now let's see if we can get back into here. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Okay. There we go. So we're on NQ1. Yep. Let me go back over to this one. And let's see what we got going on now. Yeah, I was explaining to you all 5 different symbols all have the same buy stop. I think you all caught it and understood that. Let me share this down to back to 2 again. Can make it 3, I guess. Okay. There we go. All right, so let's take a look. What do we have? Let's look at US 30. This is so much fun when we trade like this. 30-second buy stop, 1 minute buy stop. All right, so let's go over to here. Let's go for 1 minute here, NQ. There you go. So you guys say, well, NQ and US 30, nothing's, yeah, they're exactly the same. They're exactly the same. Look, here it is, proof. On your left, you have US 30. On your right, you have NQ1, the NQ minis. Both are 1 minute charts. Hold on 1 second. Oh, come. Let me reload this one. Ah, that explains the question, John. Yeah, just take your time, watch the videos, the training videos I showed you over here. Right here, watch these training videos, and then you'll start to understand the system a little bit better. Nope, we want this one. And nope. See how silly Trading View is? It doesn't even remember when I changed it to 3. Whatever. All right, now let's try to get these things done. Okay. Let me just get these set up pretty good. Okay, now let's see if we apply these. Okay, now back to where we were. What you're looking at is on the right NQ1, and on the left is US 30. While y'all think that these are separate symbols, they are not. I hunt buy stops, but it's easy with the sniper. That's funny. What does it mean? Did we do out college? Just because for MRVL and TGT if you haven't. Yeah, I can look at those in a minute. All right, so we have two quote unquote different symbols, but with the exact same green, 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 red, green, green buy stop pattern. Literally. So this is US 30 on the left, and this is our, why is it saying timed out? There you go. All right. We can do the exact same thing with ES1 and NQ1. And yeah, you can see the same exact patterns. Even though you think they're different, they're not. NQ1 on the left, ES1 on the right. Green, 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 red, buy stops, and go right up to that orange line. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stops, and go and did go up to right to that orange line. So yeah, you can use this knowledge that these symbols trade together. Oh, I don't know if there was any news or not. I didn't even pay attention. I think someone said Thursday or something there's news. Okay. Wow. Sometimes the show just got to go on, even when you don't want to do it. And yeah, I definitely have other way more important things to do. But we'll sneak through another hour. We got less than an hour. I'll stay on through the open. Someone wanted me to check Target. Gladly check Target. The MRV one, I just don't like checking, but I'll check it. So let's go ahead and take a look. Actually, we're going to put this back over here. US 30. We're going to make this one over here. NAS. Okay. Now, matter of factly, hold on a second. Matter of factly. Buy stop. US 30. Take profit 1, wherever I just put that. Take profit 2. 39,145. This is US 30. All right. Over here is NAS. This is also a 1 minute buy, so I'm just going to plop it right here. followed on the way down, by the way. Take profit 2, 17,837, demo trade only, of course. This is a 1 minute buy stop for NAS. We'll be hearing these dings go off before 10 for sure. NQ1, 1 minute buy stop followed on the way down. Take profit 1, 17,978. Take profit 2, 17,988. It's already going in take profit. It's already going in take profit. I can't even put the damn alerts up before it already starts making money. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. That's NQ1. 0 drawdown, straight up, nothing but profit on that trade. SPX 500. You've already should have been in this and made your money, but whatever. Take profit 2. I love this take profit 2. 5,200. Okay. And that is SPX 500. ES1. Take profit 1. Whatever that is. Take profit 2. I love it's always right below the orange right there. 5,237. And then we're going to put our final take profit up here. And these are 1 minute buy stops, all 3 indices, both E-minis. And that is for those.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. Beautiful. Love those trades. They'll all come true here in just shortly. All right. Someone asked for target. Who was that, John? MH. MH asked for target. Has target been called out successfully by my system for forever? Yep. All demo closed trades are in profit. All open trades on target are in profit. You can clearly see target has flipped over from the 3 minutes. Something's happening to the 5 minutes. So we're going to go to the 5 minute. Target is a 5 minute buy stop to the blue line. Take profit 1, $96.86. Take profit 2, $97.80. Now it's a much bigger sell. So target is going to be a sell until the weekly. Yeah, I'd already hit it, but it's going to do it again. It's going to ricochet. All right. So what this is going to do, let me see if I can get over here. No. So we'll go to weekly. All right. What it's going to do, it's going to arch up, ricochet, and come back down. So it's going to be a sell stop on a weekly target, $87, $82. Do I care if it goes that low? Not at all. Target is a 3-month, 6-month buy stop. I love Target. Just can't get enough of it. Target is a perfect buy. $110, take profit 1. $120, take profit 2. $130, $140, $150. It will. I love take profit $169 for Target. Just love it. And then someone, I think the same fellow wanted MRVL. I wish it was really Marvel, but it isn't. MRVL. And let's see this one. Yep, system is called out. So many closed trades, demo trades, all profitable. There's something weird between the 1 minute and 3 minute. And 3 minute looks to me like it's frozen in time. There we go. It's a buy stop, 3 minute Marvel. $53.73 is your take profit. So the 5 minute blue line is $55. Take profit 2. $60, take profit 3. $65, take profit 4. There is a sell here of a 1 hour, 2 hour sell. Take profit 1, $44. Take profit 2, $40. I wouldn't take that necessarily because I thought we were much. Yeah, there we go. Weekly, 3 weekly. Weekly, 3 weekly buy stop, Marvel. Take profit 1 will be, like I said, but $62. 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. MRVL take profit that I love is 100, and that is Marvel. All done with that one. Good morning, Grant. Hope that helps you out, MH. Good morning, Sally and Kirk Brown again, and Super Z in Orlando, and Little Joe. Good morning, Little Joe. Good. We're back up to 100 people on YouTube, about another 15 on TikTok, and then 20 and 23 or so on Facebook and X. Wow. Nice. Built the numbers right back up again. Yay. It's been a fantastic morning if you wanted to make demo money. It's been ching-chinging all morning long, nonstop. I really don't want to be here at all, but show must go on. So I'm going to stay, and I'm going to trade through open, and I'm going to leave you guys. Let's go see if we can hunt down some faster money for y'all. Let's see. All right. What do we have over here? Let's make this US 30. Let's go over to here. 15 second. US 30's dipping. Where's she going to? Yeah, just hit to the 5 second blue line, US 30. Let me see NAS. Oh, geez, pizza. Maybe SPX. Ah, they all did it. Well, damn gone. Let's see if we can get us to the 10 second blue line. Sell stop SPX to the 10 second blue line. I wouldn't take the trade, but I am calling it for those of you who like to be hyper and go up and down with things. NAS 100. NAS 100. 30 seconds. 1 minute buy stop. 3 minute buy stop. 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop. NAS 100. Love this trade. Didn't I already put these take profits in? Take profit one will be right here. 5,002. Huh? This is ES1. Hold on. It didn't switch. Same trade, but yeah. There's no way that was the price. 17,807. Take profit one. 3 minute buy stop on NAS 100. I love this trade. This is the absolute 17,825. Love that take profit. Now, if you don't want to play the 3 minute buys on NAS 100, you can go up here. You can go up here. You can look for a 1 hour sell. 1 hour sell to the daily blue line. Take profit one, 16,591, 16,388, 15,500. And that'll be NAS. I would never do any of those sells on NAS. NAS is only a buy and always will be a buy for the history of the world until the United States of America collapse. It still needs to drop down a lot. Not only does it need to go to $17,500, it needs to go to $12,500. Whoops. NAS crossing. Look, there's my signal we just did. Let's see how we're looking on that NAS. Yeah. It's nowhere near going where it needs to go. 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop NAS. I'm telling you, it's just going to keep doing this until about 10:20 this morning. Then we'll flip over to a sell right around there. But again, I wouldn't take those sells. I would wait for NAS to go on its weekly buy stop. I just love this buy stop. It will go back up. Let me be clear on NAS to well over $21,000 per US 30. Love the weekly, 3 weekly buy stop on US 30. No, US 30 isn't down far enough yet. It needs to go down to 39,800. Then it needs to go down to 38,000. But if you're forcing my hand, I'm telling you right now that you will see US 30 past 43,500 again. Absolutely and easily. SPX is also a weekly, 3-weekly buy stop. Do with that as you will. It doesn't matter to me one iota what you guys do with that shit. But I'm telling you, it needs to go back down below 5,300. It needs to go back down below 5,000. But eventually, you will see SPX 500 past 5,700 again. It just absolutely will. All right. You're welcome, MH. Anybody else have any other call outs they'd like me to do? There's about 150 of you watching between the various channels. It's a good little number this morning, a very good little number. I think word is spreading again that all you funded traders can make your funded trading account before market open and, get your $50,000 account with no drawdown. Easily, I might add. We successfully traded the 5 symbols and gold nonstop all morning long. Anybody have any questions? Anybody have any comments? Anybody have any happiness or joy they want to send? Anybody have any prayer requests you want to send? Feel free. Feel free. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop SPX. A 1 hour, 12-hour sell stop SPX. Yeah, it's going to arch up and come back down. I already told you where they're going to go. Of course, obviously, the safety trades form an order, so all these 1 minutes and 3 minutes always hit first. So when I tell you there's a NAS 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop, there's an SPX 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop, there's a US 30 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop. There is. Do 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 do. Yeah, sometimes you just don't want to, be on a show. This is one of those times. But I have to, been on it, show must go on. So if you guys want me here, ask some questions. What's up, Rocket? Good morning. What's on the horizon for safety development? Oh, yeah, I guess we can go over that for a little bit. Morning, Kev. Been busy lately. What was the call out for XRP? Love the prayers, by the way, that you do in your lives. Very helpful. Thank you, Persistent. XRP has been called out really too many times. I'm not going to do it again, but it was a buy stop 30-second. It is a 1 minute buy, 3 minute buy to the 5 minute blue line. It's going to ricochet. I already did that. Told you it wasn't do that. $1.95, take profit 1. $1.96.97, take profit 2 for XRP. There is a sell here on the 1 hour, I believe it was. Yeah. 1 hour, 2 hour sell stop for XRP. Yeah, I can't believe I'm calling this out again. 7 hour. Take profit 1, $1.72, $1.62, $1.30, 99 cents to the daily blue line. Will it hit that? No, but I'm calling it anyways. And then it absolutely is the strongest recommendation you can possibly have. A daily, weekly buy stop for XRP, for Bitcoin, for XLM. They're all the same. Take profit 1's already been hit, actually. The next take profit I would look for $2.42. I love that take profit. 262, $3, and then $4. This is an extremely good buy for XRP, Bitcoin, and XLM. You're welcome, Persistent. Good morning, Tommy Toodles. What's up, Tommy? How you been, brother? What's up, Tommy? Crypto edition. What is the crypto edition? Let's see. The crypto edition. The 1 second charge. I know isn't the best. Good. I'm done trading for today. Nice, Tommy. Congratulations, Tommy Toodles. What's up, Tommy? Thank you for being here. Release date. What is that? So the crypto edition is a more sensitive, faster responding edition of the safety trade system. It's going to come with pre-built in Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum. Upcoming projects, so a cost. Not sure Not sure. Probably somewhere in the range of 650 up front, and then I don't know, 250 a month or so. 250, 300 a month. The reason I'm doing it is because the people that trade crypto drive me insane how horrible they are at trading. The crypto traders of our community of trading groups are the worst traders I have ever seen. And that's saying something. So many of you are rough, but as a group, the crypto traders have no clue of what they are doing. They are more clueless than any traders I've ever dealt with. Crypto traders are clueless. So I making an edition, the crypto edition, to help them because they drive me nuts. Also done. Yay, Justin's done. Tommy's done. Look at you go. So, sevens, if you all understand that I'm making a faster, it's just going to be a more responsive version because when the cryptos are firing and moving, it's quite pitiful how they do it. So I'm going to make it so that you can see the movement faster. The blue lines are going to be different. The sniper is going to be different, just slightly. Oh, nice. All right, so sevens, if you guys understand that, that's coming up. This is awesome. Let's see. NQ1, NQ1. Let's go to NQ1 and see exactly what. Oh, look at NQ1. There you go. There you go. In the money on NQ1. In the money on NQ1. It is just getting started. This is going to be a 1 minute buy stop. Love it. Thank you, Eric. Thank you, Sniper1. Good morning, Sniper1. All right. So the second upcoming project, and this is the one y'all are getting real excited about. Okay. Let's just do this. All right. The upcoming projects 2 is the funded. Now this is going to be totally different. Funded trader version of the safety trade system. This release date is December 25th, 2025. Okay, and that's an estimate. The name is literally what it is. This is an entirely new safety trade system, strictly for, didn't spell any of that right, did I? Strictly for people who want to be funded traders. There will be no trades past, I guarantee you, the 3-minute charts. You will get a separate, you will get 2 versions. Top Step And who's the other? Apex. There will be little to no drawdown and shooting for 4 to 10 ticks or more. Oh, NAS is crossing. NAS is crossing. Let's come right back to this. Let's go over to NAS and see what we shall see. You guys hear that? Let's go over to NAS. Okay, yep, there it is. NAS's buy stop is in profit. We still have to get to here. It's almost there. We have to get to here for our take profit, the main one that I love, right to there. So NAS's 1 minute buy stop is in profit. There you go. See it go up before your very eyes. You guys hear that? Listen to that beautiful music. Yep, I do show them how, John. They could have passed their accounts this morning alone to the 5, but absolutely, they could have and should have. That is true. So there is your NAS 1 minute buy stop in the money. US 30 1 minute buy stop in the money and still going, by the way. NQ1 1 minute buy stop in the money. SPX 1 minute buy stop in the money, just so we're clear. All take profits, all morning long, all hit. ES1 take profit hit, and it will continue to go up. There you go. ES1 take profit, whatever the hell that is, in the money. Do you see it? So not only do you see the alerts, you actually hear them. See right there? There's the buy stops. Here you go. Let me show you exactly. Again, let's pull this up. I might leave this on the 5 symbols. Let's do that. Let's go over to here. Listen to that money talk. Right here, we're going to go to 5 symbols. And we're going to open up those 5 symbols. I might just leave them here and use this as my 5 symbol chart. All right. This right here is US 30. This right here is US 30 1 minute. Right next to it on this chart right here is NAS 1 minute. Right next to NAS is NQ1 1 minute. Next to NQ1 is SPX 500 1 minute. Next to SPX 500 is ES 1 minute. And what you're going to see on all these trades that I just called out for you, I called these trades out before they happened. I told you what the setup was. The high probability setup is this. Okay? And you can't mistake it. Let me go ahead and apply these to all entire layout. And they all look the same, even though they're different symbols. They're all 1 minute buy stops. They're all in the money, all at the same time. What do I mean? Look right here. See this? This high probability setup is the same there on US 30 as is the same here on NAS, as it's the same high probability setup on NQ1, as it's the same high probability setup of success, high probability winning percentage, and by that I mean over 99%. The same one on SPX and the same one on ES1. These are all the same. Even though they're different symbols, it's the same high probability setup on this US 30, on this NAS, on this NQ1, on this SPX, and on this ES1. Green, 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 gray. Is there anyone new here? I'll teach you how this high probability setup works by giving you a real live example. Kevin, I want to thank you as often as I can. I spent less than an hour trading today. If I keep track With my average trading day, including all the zero no trade days, I'm on par for a $750,000 a year. Nice, Tommy. Congratulations. Fantastic. Yes. When Tommy speaks, you guys need to listen. He's the best trader we have in our system. He's also the founder of our Discord. He made the Discord for us. Okay. Yep. Now, thank you, Tommy, for sharing that. You're always a blessing here. SPX is crossing. SPX 500 is crossing, meaning it's going up. They're all going up. It's all because of this trade. What's up, Big? I don't know if you guys all caught what Tommy said. Tommy's on pace for a $750,000 a year trading day, year. Okay. So when I call out these symbols and I tell you that it's a buy stop, then it's a buy stop, and NQ and NAS will absolutely always be the same. NQ, NAS, and SPX and ES1 will be usually the same about 99% of the time. If US 30 veers off, that just gives us a better buying opportunity. And right now you're seeing all these buys just like it did yesterday, just like it did the day before, just like it did the day before that, just like it did the day before that. Then it turned into a sell. So when they try to tell you that tariffs matter, tariffs no move the market up nor down. The tariff news is one bullshit news that they'll use for the next 4 years. How they can explain yesterday when, it was a mixed day of signals that NAS went up, but SPX went down. Look at NQ1. Look at that shit go shooting upwards. Look at it. Look at it go up right before your very eyes. Look at this shit. There you go, peeps. Listen to the money. Just listen to the money talk. Listen to the money talk. As called out, as traded out, as told you what the fuck to do. If I can make these go over here, go to the safetytrade.com and buy the system. For the love of God. Who touched first, John? Naz touched first? Look at this. Anyone at all making money with these call outs? Anyone at all with the 1 minute buy stops that are called out, told you what to do, how to do it, when to do it. Buy the damn system. Wake up. Free yourselves. Become the next Tommies of my system. Listen to that money talk. Listen, I told you what was going to happen before it did it. I told you as it was doing it. US 30, 1 minute, all take profits hit. NAS, 1 minute, all take profits hit. NQ1, all take profits 1 minute hit. SPX 500, all 1 minute take profits hit. ES1, all take profit 1 minute hits. Throw up some sevens, throw up some yeses, throw up some thank gods, throw up some gratitude that I just called out 5 symbols over and over again for the last fucking 2 hours, nonstop, 3 hours, nonstop, without one mistake, every time correct. Just give me some thanks and not me. Give God the thanks. God gets all the glory. Throw out sevens. Because if I look over there and I don't see a lot of thank gods and sevens and yeses, I'm leaving. I'm not going to trade through open. This is literally how you trade. Fuck all the old ways of trading. They all suck. All 99% of all old ways of trading are wrong. Let me be clear. Are 99.999% wrong. Volume VWAP sucks. RSI does not work. Bollinger Bands does not work. Fib retracement does not work. Looking to the left for support and resistance does not work. Am I clear? They do not work. They suck ass. Not just for me, but 93% of all traders quit within 2 years. I'm telling you, it's 99% of us quit within 2 years, and that's unacceptable. I want every one of us to win. But why would anyone quit if all those old ways, RSI bullshit works? They would never leave. They leave because the old ways of trading suck ass. So what works? This works. The safety trade system works all morning long, all day, every day. Over 2,000 videos of me trading and winning every fucking day using it. And if I can win with it, you can win with it. It's as simple as that. Look at it go up. Green, 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 red. Green, green. That is your high probability win pattern. Oh, nice. Okay. I'm still here. How much time do I have? 9:14. Nats for the win. Nats for the win. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. And Kevin, thank you. All right. Cool. Another one. Here's some more. SPX 500. Let's see what it's doing. Yep. I mean, it doesn't stop. I mean, it does not stop. Listen to that money. All right. Now, how on earth can the AI, ChatGPT, supposedly the best AI out there-ish, whatever, can come to the conclusion that safety trade system by me is a structured, disciplined trading system designed to minimize risk and increase the probability of success by focusing on high probability trade setups. And if by high probability trade setups, it means 100% win rate, then yes. Especially popular among traders who value consistent returns. This is a quote from ChatGPT, whatever. All I'm saying is it's smart enough to understand that my system works. These are the high probability setups. Green, 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 red, green, green. Is there anyone new here that does not have the system? Speak up now if you're new and you do not have the system. I would like to show you in the next 5 minutes how to actually trade to make money consistently. Just like you see me do, I can teach you how to trade. If I can do it, you can do it. Anyone that does not have the system yet, please speak up. I ordered some Outback yesterday. Well done steak. Poor Keith. He hates well done steaks. Medium rare is all he'll eat. And I ordered some Alice Spring chicken. And what else was, I love their potato soup. Wasn't feeling it, didn't eat it yesterday, but I think I'm going to eat this morning. But yeah, I didn't eat anything hardly yesterday, just their potato soup, which was very good. I don't have the system. What's up, Sub-Zero? Good morning, Sub-Zero. All right. Sub-Zero, you're swimming in a pool with cold water. All right, here we go. I'm going to show in 5 minutes how this thing works. Not even. My system is set up that green means up, red means down. So Sub-Zero is swimming in a pool trying to go down to the bottom of the pool to get a little gold coin. And right now that gold coin is worth a shit ton of money. I'd be doing it too. All right. Below Sub-Zero, we have green. We have these indicators that are green. So below Sub-Zero, we have John Parker pushing up. Below Sub-Zero, who's trying to go down, we have, let me move that over a little bit. We have Orlando Walters pushing up. Below Sub-Zero, who's trying to go down, we have D. Jones pushing up. So let me move this over just a little bit. So the analogy is Sub-Zero trying to go down. The red in my system is down. The trade's trying to go down. Price action right here was trying to go down. But there's 3 people pushing up. So when he tries to go to the bottom of the pool, he can't. Above him, there's 3 more people pulling up. See the greens right here and the green right here. 3 more people pulling up. So Sub-Zero's trying to dive down to the bottom to get a gold, the bloom, a gold coin, right? And let me go back this way if we can. There you go. And what you're going to see in this analogy right here, you're going to see Sub-Zero trying to dive down right here to get this coin. Okay, that's what you're going to notice. And this is how you trade. Very easy. Okay, so Sub-Zero is in the red trunks. The red analogy is here. He's trying to go down. This is Sub-Zero, red, trying to go down and get this gold coin. This is the equivalent of price action trying to go down. 7s if you guys get all of the analogies. 7s if you do. How soon do I get on TradingView? As soon as you send us your TradingView username, follow the instructions. As soon as you get your TradingView username over there, you get the system on TradingView immediately. So as fast as you can do it, probably within a half a day, you'll have it. And then your training is every other Monday. You get your first training system. Okay, thank you, Larry. Now, this is Sub-Zero trying to dive down. As we go forward with our example, you're going to see green trunks right here. These green trunks are the 3 guys pushing up. Then you're going to have 3 more people up here. Watch. You're going to see it go 3 more people pulling up. These are the 3 above him. So Sub-Zero was trying to go down. The trade was trying to go down, but it couldn't. So let's watch that through again. If you all get the analogy, watch it again. You're going to see Sub-Zero trying to swim down to the bottom of a pool to pick up the gold coin. You're going to see 3 indicators pushing up. These are the 3 men, women. You're going to see 3 more men and women pulling up. This is my indicators pushing up and pulling up. The trade couldn't have gone down. It had to go up, and it went up over and over again on SPX, ES1, NQ1, NAS, and US30. Period. This is what you're seeing. It's a simple, I made this cartoon to help train the children, but actually it helps the adults a ton. See, pop, pop, pop. And this is called the buy stop. You never do a market order. You put your buy right here. Those are all the technical things. What I want you to realize is how to spot the trade. So when you see this high probability setup, it's going to go up. And that's as simple as that. The pattern is green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, and it goes up. And not only did it just do it for SPX, it did it for US 30. Look, the exact same time. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop. It did it for US 30. It did it for NAS at the exact same time, the same pattern, high probability pattern. NQ1 at the same time, SPX 500 at the same time, ES1 at the same time. They all did it at the exact same time. The same exact pattern happened right in here. And we just traded that. I just taught you how to do that. Market open in about 7 minutes. Okay. I hope you all got that analogy. I hope you realize it happened on 5 different symbols at the exact same time. Pretty cool. And I really hope that helped Sub-Zero. Good. About 100 of you here right now. Got it, says Eric R. Good. All right. Because you can use this to your advantage once you understand what I'm teaching you. If US 30 isn't forming this and NAS did, or better yet, NAS formed it and SPX hadn't yet, you can always count on one. Oops. Target. Target. How can it be doing anything? Is this pre-market open? Let's look at Target and see what's going on. Yep. Nope. Target is rolling. Target has the same pattern, by the way. And Target is in the money. I called that out for somebody, and you're welcome, whoever that was. See? Same exact pattern. Same exact pattern. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop. You see it? Green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop to the blue line. And it happens over and over again. Now, we got to focus in a little bit. So let me scoosh you over to here. And let me see US 30. What's over here? Let me go over to here and let me make that NAS. And this is US 30. Let's go back over to here. All right, market open in about 4 minutes. Please do not trade market open. If you're going to trade market open, you have to get in and out quick. You're demo trading only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. Let's see. What can I call for you guys? Let's see. NAS. Let me go down here somewhere and go hunting. I usually like the 10-second. 10-second buy stop. We're going to need a pullback to catch any of this. I don't know. It's been, say, a 10-second buy stop on US 30, 10-second buy stop on NAS. I don't know. We're just going to have to wait, I guess. Let's hope for one of these two to pull back. I'm not even going to look at SPX. Oops, hold on. We might be losing TikTok. Hold on, I got to verify TikTok. Just give me a sec. There we go. Yeah, I know I shouldn't be coughing in a microphone. Looks like US 30 is on a tear. I think we're gonna have to hope for NAS to pull back. Shit. 3 minutes to market open. Yeah, let's hope for a turn back. By the way, there are sell stops, so 1 hour sell stop, all three indices to the daily blue lines of all three indices. There is a weekly buy stop on all three indices. That's the only trade I would take if you're not taking these 30-second, 5-minute buy stops. Let me make sure on one thing. Do not trade market open. If you're going to trade market open, make sure you demo trade only. Gosh, not even SPX. Yeah. All right, we need a pullback on NAS or US 30. If we can get a pullback, I'll get us back in a trade. Right now it is a 10-second buy stop on NAS. I mean, they've just gone up too high. There's not much else we can do. Market open in about a minute and a half. Again, don't play market open. If you're going to play market open, lock in profits. If you're going to lock in your profits, demo trade only. You'll see the pink line on the left there go up to the blue. That'll be US 30, and you'll see price action go up. Okay, yeah, US 30 is just see the pink line hooking and the price going up. 1 minute to market open, 1 minute to market open. We just have to wait and hope that NAS pulls down. I mean, I guess we can look at SPX too, but definitely NAS pull down would be where I'm heading. We need one of these two, well, one of the three to pull back down so we can enter into a buy stop like yesterday did. All right. I'm only going to be trading through open maybe for a minute or two. I'm not going to stick around much longer. It's coming up. Let's hope for big movements, peeps. Come on. Let's go. I didn't check gold, by the way. I should have checked gold for you. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds. All I can call are buys. Buy stop 10-second NAS, SPX, US 30. Market open, market open, market open. Buy. US 30, buy. Take profit 1, US 30. 39,354. Take profit 1. Come on. We have a pullback. Good enough for me. Take profit 2, 39,383, US 30. NAS has gone straight up. There's nothing I can do for NAS. It's just completely straight up. That's all we got. We do have an opportunity right here. Follow this down on US 30. Follow this down on US 30. Take profit, whatever the hell this is, US 30. Keep going down. This is beautiful. Thank God. All right. There we go. Who do we got? Which one's popping? US 30. Nice. US 30, take profit 1 hit. US 30, take profit 1 hit. Yay. There you go. Hold. Re-enter the trade. Demo trade only. Follow it down again. We're going to do it again. Take those profits. Take them quick. Follow this trade down. Buy stop. 10-second. Let me go up to 15 seconds, see if I can get a better entry for us. 15-second buy stop, US 30. 15, hold on. Fucking shit. I'm going to forget NAS. I'll come back to NAS in a minute. Here you go. That is gorgeous. There you go. Just stay up here. Stay away from there. Let it do its thing. Love take profit, US 30. 39,350 US 30. Love the take profit US 30. Boy, who's this one? Who's this one? Is this US 30? US 30 crossing. Take profit US 30 hit again. Take profit US 30 hit again. Follow it again. Follow it down again. Follow it down again. US 30, take profit 1. Be ready to go with it. Take profit 2. Look at it go. Look at it go. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. Let me make sure we have our yellow take profit ready to go. Nice. Nice. This is gorgeous. Follow it down again. This is US 30. This is a 15-second buy stop. What you're going to see eventually is you're going to see this pink cross the blue and the purple. It's going to come up. It's going to hook. This will turn back to red. Price action will go up above this orange line and will go to this yellow and then back to this orange line. This is a 15-second buy stop on US 30. Just hang. Love the trade. Love this trade. Just hang right here. Just hang right here. I might have to go over to NAS. I have a feeling we can get into NAS. Here we go. 30-second. Buy stop. Take profit 1 US 30. 39,329. I got to check NAS. I have to check NAS. Yeah. NAS buy stop. 15-second, 30-second buy stop NAS. I knew it. I knew it. There goes NAS. NAS take profit 1 hit. NAS take profit 1 hit. Nice. Nice. Look at this shit. There, NAS take profit 2 hit. NAS take profit 2 hit. There you go, peeps. There you go. There you go, peeps. You still have time for US 30. Let me check SPX. Could SPX possibly stay? SPX buy. SPX take profit 1, 5,234. Watch this. This is gorgeous, gorgeous SPX. Follow this sucker down. Whew, I got to go. All right, let me check that US 30 again. Look. This is gorgeous. Okay. Hold on. Stay right here. Stay right here. Hold on. Take profit 1. Take profit 1 US 30. Then I got to go back to SPX. SPX is too good. Take profit 2. Take profit 2 SPX is hit. Take profit 2 of, let me go over to SPX here. This is fucking, we're firing off money left and right. This is gorgeous right here. Gorgeous right here. Take profit SPX 5,235. It's like a money printing factory right now. Can't stop. This is perfect. Buy the system right here, thesafetrade.com, so you can learn how to trade just like me. If I can do it, you can do it. Oh, yeah, this is gorgeous. Should I stay on and just wait for this? US 30, US 30. This is a beautiful buy. This is a logo buy. Do I stay or do I go? I got to kind of go. Do I stay or do I go? Do. This is fun. NAS all take profits hit. NAS all take profits hit. NAS all take profits hit.
Trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
See, do you still have time on SPX? Yes. SPX, buy stop. You still have time on SPX. This is a gorgeous trade right here. SPX, buy stop. Just gorgeous. Take profit 5,227. Love this trade. Let me see ES1 for you guys. Oh, yeah, same thing. Perfect. Follow this shit down. Move your take profits down with it. This is just gorgeous. This is a gorgeous buy. I might just stay here for you guys. Damn it. I wanted to go. ES1, buy stop. SPX 500, buy stop. 1 minute buys, by the way. NQ1, buy stop. Matter of fact, let's mark it. Let's mark our territory. As it drops, fall down with it. Rule number 7. NAS, 1 minute buy stop. It's actually a 30-second, but close enough. Follow it down as it goes down. US 30. Wow, look at that go. Now, US 30 and all of them are also 1 hour sells, blah, blah, blah. But let me see what we can see here. We already hit the 5 minute. Come on, come on. What's taking so long? Yeah. It already did its ricochet back up. That's interesting on US 30. Will it flip back up again? Probably so. Be patient with that one. US 30 is fine. Yeah, no. I personally would go with this NAS or I'd go with SPX. Yeah. Right now it looks like SPX is a little better setup. Let me see how low this is going to go to the 10 second. Yeah. Sell NAS SPX to the 10-second blue line. I wouldn't take that trade. Just be patient. Let me see that US 30. Yeah, this is gorgeous. How much time we got left in that candle? Oh, 6 seconds. So it has to come down a little bit more. Who is that? SPX. Buy stop SPX 1 minute. It's going to go back up to that yellow and then the orange again. It's officially a 1 minute buy stop. Anybody have any questions or concerns or comments? It's been a hell of a fun morning, I'll tell you that. Just unbelievable. Buy stop 1 minute SPX. Buy stop 1 minute ES1. Buy stop 30-second NQ1. Buy stop 30-second NAS. Just love these trades. Just be patient. US 30. If you want to go into a sell, you can look for that US 30, but I'm not touching that. 3 minute buy, 3 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute buy US 30. Okay. Let me see what's happening around these parts. Five seconds sell to the blue line ricochet US 30. 38,991 would be your take profit right here. You're going to see the pink cross the purple. See it? You're going to see this gap fill in right here. You're going to see price action go down to where I told you. This is a US 30 sell. See this? This will come down, touch the, you see that? And then see the pink cross the purple down to the orange. I don't know if we're going to get the push down all the way on this one. Might. Or you can just wait a little bit and wait for the 3 minute buy stop to kick in. This is just a short, tiny little sell. It's a 5 second sell, which did exactly like it's supposed to do. All right, let's go over to NAS and see what we can see on NAS. Oh, SPX. Let's go to SPX. SPX crossing. Let's see what it's doing. SPX. 30-second buy. Yep, 1 minute buy stop. You're in profit on the 1 minute buy on that. Feel free to take profit and run. You eventually will see this pink and purple cross this blue. You'll see the green, red turn back to green right here. You'll see price action go up above the yellow and above the orange. And that is for SPX 500. Sometimes this is watching paint dry, though. I hope one of these flips for us quickly. Oh, I gotta go. All right, I gotta go. I'm sure I'm going to be right back on within the half hour, but it is what it is. All right, got to go. If it goes up and shoots up like it's going to, I'm going to leave you with SPX NAS 1 minute buys. If you want to look for a sell, look for the, geez, hold on. Oh, yeah. US 30 did go down and hit its 10-second blue line, did exactly like I told you. That was your ricochet. NAS crossing. There goes NAS. Your 30-second buy stop on NAS is in profit. Your 30-second buy stop in NAS is in profit. Take profit 1, take profit 2 is that orange line right there. There you go. Beautiful. This is a 1 minute, this is a 30-second 1 minute buy stop for NAS and also NQ1. Pink has just crossed the blue line. Green, 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 red. This will turn back to green. Price action will go up past this orange line right there. US 30 crossing again. US 30's in the money. You'd have gotten in on your 1 minute orange line right here. You're up very good money actually on that trade. I noticed some of you don't understand how powerful US 30 is. You don't think this is a lot of money. NQ1 is also profit now. You're up. Oopsie, hold on. You're up. I don't know, somewhere in the neighborhood of 30, 40, 50 pips on US 30 right now. ES1 is crossing. Let's see what that's about. Yep. ES1 1 minute buy stops are all in the money. Your ES1 buy stops are all in the money. You'd have had little to no drawdown. You can clearly see the pattern right here as it's happening. Pink cross the blue. Green, 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 red. Green, green buy stop in the money on your ES1 buys. Finally learn how to trade. Buy the system. If you don't think you should buy the system, think about it again, because it's the only way, in my opinion, that you're eventually going to make continuous profit. SafetyTrade.com is where you get it. This is the buy stop. Just like it was here, it's here now. This is ES1, which I guarantee you, if ES1 is doing this, so is SPX 500. See it? Green, 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 red, pink cross the blue, and there it goes up. You're in the money on SPX 500. It will go up to where this orange line is right there. That'll be your next profit. Okay. NQ1, yep, NQ1 is going to go up like I told you, and it is at its orange line exactly where I told you it was going to go to. Green, green, green. Well, this happens to be a fill in the gap 1 minute, but it went up exactly to its orange line. NQ1, all take profits hit for that. Demo trade only. I'm not a financial advisor. NAS 100 is doing the exact same pattern. This is a fill in the gap. Green, 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 fill in the gap. There it goes up. It already hit its orange line. All take profits for NAS and NQ1 have been hit. Thank you, God, for that. You still have time for US 30. US 30 is a buy stop. Take profit 1, wherever the hell this is. 39,166. Take profit 2 right here. You still have time, 39,263. I don't think it took that. Hold on. Add alert. Yeah, I don't think it did that. There you go. All right. 1 minute buy stop, US 30. NAS has already been a 1 minute buy stop. Look at it go up before your very eyes. All take profits on NAS has been hit. Take profit 1, 2, and 3. Look at the perfect trade. Here is NQ1. Also the exact same thing. All take profits for NQ1 have been hit. SPX. You still have time for SPX. There you go. See it go up before your very eyes? Look, it's going up right before your very eyes. As I called out and alerted you to, green, 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 red, pink cross the blue. You're going to see this turn to green right here. See how it went right to the orange line like I told you it would? Take profit. All take profits on SPX have been hit. All take profits on SPX have been hit. This will turn to green here in a matter of seconds. Look at the money. Look at how great this system is. Buy the system. Look at it every morning. The same wins every morning. There's SPX. Here, I'm going to show you right now. You're going to see ES1, the exact same trade. You see it? Green, 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 red, pink crosses the blue. You see how it went directly up to that orange take profit line right there. You're welcome. Look at this. You see how this turned to green, green, green again right there. Here's SPX doing the exact same trade. All in the money, all take profits hit. NQ1, all take profits hit with no drawdown. NAS, exact same trade, all take profits hit, no drawdown. US 30, you still have time. US 30 is in profit, a huge amount actually. It's really good. It's still going to go up and go to that orange line like I told you all the rest did. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. There you go. So there it is. We've successfully traded the open. I've successfully traded 3 hours and 38 minutes with you all morning long. ES1, all take profits hit. SPX 500, all take profits hit. NQ1, all take profits hit. NAS 100, all take profits hit. US 30 going up before your very eyes, and you still have time for the take profits. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. That's how you trade. Hope I'm clear. I hope you all buy the system. Tell your friends, tell family, help everybody out. Buy the system. Learn how to make consistent profits for once in your life. I'm done on TikTok. I'm going to head over to YouTube just for a second and Facebook Live. But I am done on TikTok. God bless you all. We shall see you later. Lord willing, end this live. See ya. Okay. YouTubers and Facebookers, I hope you had a blessed morning as much as I did. How do I use the system to project price targets similar to how you do with J&J? Is it estimate using the sniper? Kirk, literally you have to wake up, buddy. I'm not going to try to be mean, but when I tell you that I'm telling you the take profits are the yellow and the orange, that's what it is on the 1 hour, 5 hour, daily, weekly, 3 month. It's the exact same thing. Please understand that when I call these trades, you see exactly I'm calling it to the yellow and the orange line. That's how you know your take profits. Gotta go. All right. Thank you all very much. God bless you all. Everybody have a great day. I'm sure, Lord willing, I'll be on later.